Okay, I've got a couple of questions regarding it's on the theme photographer made by Organic Themes. First of all, I've been asked on the first page here. Okay, so we've just got 6 slides shown. Where is that controlled? Okay, so go into your admin area, which is the web address, and then wp admin / it will come to this screen. If you go to appearances, themes, and theme options. Now, photographer is the one that's the current theme. If we expand this theme, it will come up with a child theme of it, but you go to the same place, which is theme options. The featured slideshow category, this is the one that is showing on the front page there, and it's taken from a category, so basically it's one of your post categories. So at the moment it's portfolio, it could be interior houses or all categories, portfolio. And the number of posts, this is the number of slides you want shown. At the moment it's set to a maximum of 20, but you can increase that if you want. Once you've made those changes, you just click on Save Options. And now at the moment it's still only displaying 6. Now the reason for this is you need to go through the posts. So if we go to all posts, select on the category, which is portfolio, add that filter, we'll come up with all the posts in that category. Now the slideshow will only show slides posts that have a featured image set. So you see on this one, which is the gardens gallery, there's no featured image set, so you will need to click on that and either upload or select an image that will then be your slide. Once you've done that, click on update, and then you should have more slides on there. Okay, so that's the first question. Second question, interior pages double up as a grid. Okay, so let's have a look at slideshows here. So if we click on Jill Stone. Okay, so we see that the gallery is starting again there. I'm just going to go into that post. It was in interiors again, so if we add the same, so add interior house, then filter. Okay, so it's this one here. Okay, now when it first come up, it might come up like that. Okay, it means there's the gallery from that's the normal way of adding galleries to WordPress. But in this situation, on this theme, we use their shortcode, and that's their shortcode there. I'm going to show you in the text mode. This is the HTML view, so you can actually take that out, gallery, and it should just be written like that. The columns number, if you keep that the same, then the images will display the same size all the time, and they'll be 4 deep. And you can, if you have a look at the media, if you click on upload it to this post, this will be the gallery, the images it shows. So if there's a double up in here, see that image is doubled up, you can just delete it. Okay, once we save, so now when we refresh this page, it should be 4 wide and just the images that we want. So there you go. Okay, so just reminding you of that. So you just use that as the shortcode, and you can put it in this mode, in the visual mode. Okay, and the last question, home page goes to current home page. What this is It's done in the button, but it's kind of correct. If you go to Appearance, Menus, Home, Custom, we can change that to WP for now and save it. However, when we go live, we'll need to remember to change that because it will we'll be changing it from that folder, and that will then be the wrong address. Okay, and that goes to there for now. But as I say, once we go live, that will need to be changed back to what it was before. So you to go in and take off the WP and then save menu. And it's as easy as that, and that's all 3 issues covered.